Hey YouTube, Dan of All Things here. Just cruised over to the executive ramp or north ramp over here at Bullfrog, depending on what you like to call it. As you can see, this one plenty deep. Water's up to the turnaround point there where the truck's sitting. So we got oodles of ramp over here for any size craft. Got the pump out right there on the other side of them. Marina. Courtesy dock. It's looking good, looking like a beautiful year. May 31st, 2024. Water level about 35. What was it? 3568, I think. If I remember right. I think so. 3568. I'm going to call that. Come and enjoy the lake. The weather's great. Like and subscribe.